Why would you fight for love?
What's up, royalty made gang fam squad? What it do? Anyways, I'm about to show you guys how to get a flat foundation for your wig application. Yay. But anyway, if you are interested in this video, you know exactly what to do. I'm gonna have y'all stay tuned and I'm gonna get the video popping. So I am creating my foundation to put on my wigs. So like when I'm braiding, I kind of like pull and not like make my braids bulky, if that makes any sense. See, I'm like kind of just like spacing the braids out, if that makes any sense. Because I feel like that helps to create like a really flat foundation. When I used to wear wigs all the time, and they were just like cheap wigs, they were never like this expensive. When I used to wear wigs, this is what I would do. Or I would do like the 4 plaits and just like lay them down flat, because I'm not really trying to keep these in for long. I'm doing it to show you guys so you can kind of see how to get like a flatter foundation, if that makes any sense. And no, my parts probably the hell aren't perfect, so you get what you get and you don't throw fit, because I want to see what these wigs look like with the flatter foundation, because they was popping, y'all. They was popping. But you see how I'm not like keeping it close, I'm just like dragging it back so it looks flat. Do y'all see that? Just dragging it back. I don't know what it looks like exactly, so I'm showing y'all what it looks like, because I have no idea. I don't have eyes in the back of my head, unfortunately. It's one superpower that I did not come with, you guys. Like, I feel like I need help with the wig, like making them look a little bit more natural, especially like the orange, the pumpkin pie one, because having a lace front wig is definitely something new to me. I feel like it's definitely also an investment in myself to look good. Not saying that I don't look good, but you know, just something different, something to play with, kind of get my feet wet in it. Not doing it for any particular reason, but it would be great to have some fun once in a while, y'all know? Some fun. All right, let's break these things back. Woo! My arms are tired. When you feel the burn, you gotta keep going, right? Yeah. But do y'all see how flat these are though? I hope these make some sense to y'all. Let's see. But do y'all see how like there's no bulk like up here? That's usually where the bulk is, and there's barely any in the back. Y'all see how flat that is though? Yeah. So what I'm about to do really quick, just to make it look a little bit more natural, when I put the wig on, I'm just gonna lay my little baby hairs real quick.